Today's recipe combines two of your favorite things, dessert and coffee. Coffee jelly is one of the many no-bake desserts that are such delicious treats for dessert lovers and your wallet. So, let me share with you my secret coffee jelly dessert recipe. This dessert recipe has two parts. First, the gelatin. We want to make sure the jelly also tastes good. In a casserole, put 1/4 coffee granules in 5 cups of water. Put 1 cup brown sugar. Combine this with 25 grams or 1 sachet of unflavored black gulaman or jelly powder. Dissolve everything under medium heat until it boils. Don't forget to mix frequently. You can adjust how firm your jelly is by adding more or less gelatin powder. Pour into a container and let it cool completely. Then cut it into cubes. Set it aside. Now the sweet cream sauce. In a bowl, pour 1 cup all-purpose cream, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 cup condensed milk, 1 pack instant coffee, 2 packs chocolate milk, and 1 tablespoon coffee granules. This tastes like ice cream. Once mixed, put in the jelly and serve to your guests. This dessert is a crowd favorite during summer or holidays. You can make it as sweet or as bitter as you like by adjusting the milk, sugar, and coffee. You can also add toppings like sprinkles, whipped cream, or nuts. So, let me know in the comment section below. What ingredients would you add to this recipe to make it a special dish of your own? Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video.